So today I'm going to be teaching you how to download the Arduino IDE application that I have been using to do my projects on. So let's get started. First we search for Arduino IDE download, and then we press on download. We go here, then we download it, then we go here, and then we press. Okay, so we wait, press on download. Okay, so it is downloading. So when it's done downloading, I'll be back. Okay, so now that it's done downloading, we press here, we press open file, and then just wait for the file to open. So now that it had opened, we press on I agree, and then press on next, only for me, and then next, and install. So it will start loading, and don't worry if it took time, because it took about 5 minutes for me to load.
A few moments later.
So now that it had fully loaded, we press on finish, and then we wait a few moments on it until it finishes its work. And once it finishes loading, this is what you'll have. So here in the void setup, there is a small comment that says to put your setup code here to run once. So here you put the code that you don't want to run repeatedly. And for the void loop, there's a comment that you put your main code here to run repeatedly, where the code that you want to stay going on and on. And here there's the serial monitor in the tools. Okay, so the serial monitor helps you to monitor specific values for something that you have in your hardware, maybe like an LDR, a light detecting resistor. I actually uploaded a video about that, about how to use an LDR, so go check that out. So here you have select board. When you plug your own board into the device that you're using, it is gonna show up here with the board, so you just choose the board that you're working with, and then the code is gonna be perfectly fine. And also here in this empty space down, when you compile your code, if it's all right, it's gonna show you that it is done compiling and so on. However, if there was a mistake in your code, it's gonna say that compiling couldn't be completed and that there is a problem in it, and then it's gonna show you the error. It's gonna tell you that there is an error in this specific line, and it's gonna show you which line, and then you're gonna go and try to fix that error. So then you could just go on compiling once again, and the compiling is in this little arrow up there. There has to be a tick beside it. It's just that it's not showing in my screen, so you press on the tick, and then so that it finishes compiling. And then when you want to the work to start, you press on this arrow so that it would load the information to your Arduino board, and then your project would start working. And this is basically it for today, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more Arduino made simple.